Are you like me? Do you order your groceries from Amazon during the lockdowns so that you don't have to go out very often? And I end up with all these silver bags that they put my frozen items in, and then all these grocery bags that they put the groceries in. Well, guess what I've been doing with these? I have been saving money on my eBay shipping, and I've been cutting these open and using them as bubble wrap because they are just reflective bubble wrap. So in place of bubble wrap, I'm using those. And then all the bags make wonderful packing paper. I crush them up. They're both very light, and they're both very easy to use as shipping supplies. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. That's what I've been doing with my Amazon stuff, so I don't have to create as much trash. And it's been working really well. It's been keeping my items from breaking when I'm shipping to eBay. Have a great day.